Okay, these are the hoses I removed, and they're the vent hoses for the overflow on the gas tank. You have to cut those ends off. I got those taken off and replaced this. It was really easy. All you gotta do is take these off, and then that loosens this whole thing, and then you slide this whole thing slides back, and then the hose slides off, and then there's two like rubber washer things, kind of gaskets, and this is all metal all the way to here, and that slides into there, so this is kind of like a clamp. Replace this vent hose with this and down to here. Plus I got these vent hoses and then vented it up here, and those come back to there underneath. You can't see them, but they're under there, two of them. This one goes to the canister in the back underneath everything. And since you got it open, check your brake fluid. Brake fluid's fine. So that is taking away the vapors. Up here used to have, right here used to have a yellow thing that went like this, and all the vapors would go into that yellow thing and I guess soak into the plastic and then emanate from the plastic, so you'd always have vapors. So I guess that was a good no, it was a shitty idea, but they thought of that. So now this is no more gas fumes in the car, which is awesome. All new hoses, all new vent lines. It's awesome. Next thing to do is I'll have to pull the tank out and then get a new sending unit. I'm hoping that'll be the problem why I can't read my gas gauge. I just hope it's not. You know, in the actual speedometer thing. I hope it's not that. So that's so far. Oh yeah, I have to pop it open again. Forgot all about that. Got a new seal all the way up. And then I found in here, when you pop that off, on the inside of the metal there's these little plastic tees that come out, and they go through the holes on the other side of this, but they didn't work. They just broke right off. So what I did is there's already holes where the tees went, and these screws fit perfectly in there. Holds it right in, except for my shoddy job there. But now I got all that all sealed, so it's even better now. No air comes flying in during the winter. I also had to, right here, there's a drainage thing that goes on the inside. It drains from here, and then it goes along the inside and goes out the bottom of the car, I believe. But that was all filled up. So this whole thing would be filled up with water, and then the water would come out through here. And then they drilled a little hole under here so the water would drip down. But it just drips out of this whole thing. So what I did is I put this thing up here, so when it rains, the water doesn't get in there. And when it snows, it'll snow. I could pull it up and let the air in to defrost, and it will work fine. So that's the new additions. Also have my air cooler bushings in, so I'm gonna save up $100. I'm gonna have a buddy help me pull the engine out, and then we'll put the cooler bushings in, and then no more oil leak. Oh, and then I'll have awesome oil pressure. So that's the update for now. Another walk around since it's spring. It's running really, really awesome. You know, except for all the crap that's coming in. That's where all the oil's coming from for the oil thing. Okay. And then I almost got it idling correct. So I'll be happy when it's idled correct. So there it is. I'm happy.